Hey guys, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ashita Agarwal. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing amazing and safe. I am sorry for being MIA for so long. I have been going through a lot of stuff in my personal life. So grateful for you guys to stick along even when I am taking a break. I love you guys so much. But I shopped a lot immediately coming back from Mumbai. Just avoid my voice, you guys, because I have been saying I cannot even pronounce. I don't know how I'm gonna shoot because मैं नाक से बात कर रही हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों, because एक हफ्ते से I was completely sick and down. It was that time of the month. By the title only you know that we are going to do a huge and amazing haul. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. My first product and first purchase was this cuties. These are solid perfume. This is so pretty and so cute. Look at the size of it. It is so small and tiny. You can fit it literally in your pocket. As you guys know, I travel a lot and I need a lot of travel friendlies or travel sizes and minis. So this in vanilla and one is completely floral. ये थोड़ा सा खराब आया था मुझे. I don't know, it was not used, but ये थोड़ा सा मुझे ऐसे खराब सा आया था, like इसका color and all. But it smells heavenly, you guys. You will literally smell like a vanilla cupcake. If you want to literally smell like summer and vanilla cupcake, this is both for you, because this is completely floral and this smells heavenly, you guys. You just have to put on the pulse points of your wrist or beside your behind your ears. ये काफी long lasting है, plus at the same time I don't know why I feel better using this, क्योंकि कई लोगों को परफ्यूम से सेंसिटिविटी होती है, उसमें अल्कोहल होता है, and when you spray it directly वो नाक पे जाता है, कई बार बहुत ज़्यादा अफेक्ट भी करता है. if you have any problem, like कितने सारे patients है like migraines, sinus, asthma, they cannot use perfume which is very harmful for them, and वो कई बार बहुत अफेक्ट करता है. मुझे लगता है this is very safe for all type of people. If you have any issues with perfume, definitely you can go with this. And इसकी भी पैकेजिंग वैसे ही क्यूट है. You just have to slide it and look, it is literally solid. ये you will feel like a walking and talking cupcake. It is really affordable. ये मुझे कुछ लगता है 299 के आसपास पड़ा था. अभी तक एक्चुअली अनपैक भी नहीं किया. I am a big fan of roll-ons. अब जब से मैंने ये यूज करना चालू किया, I have stopped using deodorants. I either go for solid perfumes or roll-ons. And actually telling you कि इससे literally dark underarms. This is your one of the biggest solution for darker underarms, because ये burn नहीं करता आपके underarms को. Plus like deodorant and perfume does, हम directly अपने underarms पे apply कर लेते हैं, and it literally burns our underarm skin because वो बहुत sensitive होती है. And I will suggest this for men and women both. बहुत लंबे time तक sweat smell को, sweat odor को control करता है. Guys, क्योंकि gym में बहुत easily ऐसे sticky season में smell करने लग जाती है body, but this controls our smell, our sweat odor. पूरी बात कर ली, निकाल के दिखाया ही नहीं है guys. Okay, I not stock it up क्योंकि ये I finish it like, मेरे को लगता है कि I finish it like within 15 to 20 days, because I use like once or twice a day and it lasts longer, you guys. So ये है Carmesi का natural deodorant roll-on. It's very mild and this is for sensitive skin. It lasts longer and it smells amazing. You smell daisy fresh right out of shower. And मेरे words जो मिस हो रहे हैं ना, please ignore you guys, क्योंकि मेरे को बोलने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Anyways, मैंने अभी तक ये खोला भी नहीं है. Another underarm roll-on serum. This is underarm roll-on serum by Wishcare. It has 5% AHA, 3% kojic acid, which is amazing for underarm lightening. See, if you have dark underarms, you can prefer a roll-on like this instead of going for deodorants or using whitening underarms or any creams, because उससे और ज़्यादा burn हो जाती है underarms की skin. And test it in front of you guys. Wow. Okay, I'm rolling it in front of you guys. Wow, it is watery light again, like जैसा मैंने पहले Carmesi का दिखाया था, and it smells amazing. मतलब मेरे तो बता रहे हो ना, नाक भी बंद है you guys, तो मुझे स्मेल भी 50% आ रही है. इसी का जो ये वाला रोल ऑन है, ये मेरा एक्चुअली 10th पैक है. I'm not joking you guys, ज़्यादा होगा क्योंकि मैं इसे ऐसे ही फटाफट खत्म कर देती हूँ and I use it. This part of video is kindly sponsored by Baby My Plant Sassiness India, which is a anti-tarnish jewelry brand. It is completely waterproof and it's hypoallergenic, skin friendly jewelry. I am wearing the entire jewelry in my today's video. I'm wearing it from my brand, and look, I'm wearing this new collection. This is already up on my website, which is sassiness.in. I will mention all the names on the screen or the link it down below. These are completely waterproof and skin friendly. It is 18 karat gold plated, you guys. As you can see, I am in love with my jewelry, and I will tell you a secret. I keep one piece of all the collection for myself. I buy one extra piece and keep it for myself. I love it that much. Lightweight necklace. It is minimalist. You can wear it in office, colleges. You can also style it with your ethnic. It has very cute little hearts in it, so I paired it with a heart ring. And this is also heart. Oh my god, I didn't knew I was wearing so many hearts today. I didn't realize that, you guys, when I was styling. I am completely dripping in Sassiness India. Don't forget to check out Sassiness India, you guys. Support your girl living her dream, support her small business. Moving to the next product, you guys, Gummy Bear, because अब मुझे लगता है supplements are so good and I haven't tried supplements before. Basically I run away from medicine, try to treat myself naturally, लेकिन मेरे को भी बहुत टाइम से insomnia हो रहा है. I don't know why. Because of stress, so I couldn't sleep at night. It's been like New Year से अभी तक का count कर लो, it's like 7 to 8 months I haven't been able to sleep at night. once in a blue moon होता है जब मुझे बहुत नींद आती है. So because of my anxiety and a lot of stress in my life, I think I have to start and combine, not try magnesium. So, like 20 plus, and if you're watching this video, don't take it without any consultations. If you are 20 plus or 25 plus, you can definitely take this with consultations. So this is magnesium gummies by B Body Wise. ये मैं अभी तक खोली नहीं हूँ and honestly I haven't tried this, so मैं इसको भी review नहीं कर सकती guys, but इसके reviews बहुत अच्छे हैं. I will just tell you कि इसमें supports restful sleep, reduces stress and promote muscle relaxation and recovery, जो मुझे all in one मिल रहा है. This is much needed for recovery of sleep and recovery of my body because I work out, और कई बार muscle recovery बहुत slow हो जाती है because of excessive workout. और जिस दिन मैं नहीं सोई उस दिन तो I am not able to work out. अगर मैंने जबरदस्ती workout कर लिया दूसरे दिन, muscle recovery takes a lot of time and it literally harms my body. A lighter and funnier, like in funful way of consuming supplements, and इसमें लिखा है कि you can take 2 dosage per day after dinner or something like that. Please make your research thorough before going through this. And magnesium के doses ज़्यादा होने से भी problem हो सकती है body में, and I think I have read a lot of things. उसके बाद ही मैंने अपने लिए ये लिया है. I am very excited to consume this, guys, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि this is going to do good to my sleep patterns because insomnia is literally killing me, and it literally मेरा पूरा दिन disturb हो जाता है. I am not able to work out or work properly or function properly as a human being. Some days I literally feel like zombies. So I think this will help me. Do comment down. Literally tell me if you are consuming this, if this worked out for you, eating and consuming magnesium supplements right now. Do comment down below and let me know, you guys. Your girl needs support. Do. Next, I have a lot of stuff completely lying around, you guys. This is not exactly a new purchase, but मैंने अभी तक ये unbox नहीं किया है. This is Minimalist का AHA BHA peel. This is a chemical peel. I don't talk about chemical peel much in my video क्योंकि पहले तो I am not a skincare specialist. I am just self-learned skin therapy or whatever you will call it. तो ये मेरे को सूट करता है. And just a disclaimer, this is not for beginners because Minimalist के 2 आते हैं, एक exfoliator भी आता है. I will link that for you guys and I will also link this product for you guys. So ये है Minimalist का AHA BHA chemical peel, which is 32%, and 32% is honestly too much for beginners. It can irritate or rash your skin, and actually chemical peel are very harsh एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव टू यूज़. बहुत केयरफुली यूज़ करना पड़ता है. अगर आप ज़्यादा ये गलत तरीके से यूज़ कर लो तो इट कैन लिटरली बर्न योर स्किन. सो दैट्स वाई आई डोंट टॉक अबाउट स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स विच आर रिस्की on my YouTube channel or my videos. So I will recommend you to do your thorough research and then only buy it. But this is like facial at home, you guys. अगर आपने यूज करना चालू कर दिया है already using 10% exfoliator or something like that, और chemical peel आप कराते रहते हो या करते रहते हो, then this is for you, because I'm using this like since past 4 to 5 years and my skin is amazing, you guys. It has literally changed my skincare game क्योंकि it's really safe if you know how to use it. अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो नहीं, 32% नहीं है safe. You can use a 10%, 15%. It literally is a facial at home, you guys. It works so well. It exfoliates your face. It removes any gunk from your face, और जो भी एक layer हो जाती है ना, like dirt पूरा जम जाता है, clogged pores, white heads, black heads. It completely clears my black heads जो भी आ जाता है because of this sticky season. Or anyway, this really will help with your black heads or the heads, white heads. I just use it for like 5 to 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes on my face, wash it off and then apply इसी का hyaluronic serum. There's also अगर कोई dead acne है जिसका mark नहीं जा रहा है, it also helps a lot with hypopigmentation and pigmentation or black spots also, but only on your T-zone and like this, nowhere near your eyes. इसको कहीं पे भी eyes और lips के पास नहीं यूज करना है. मेरी I think 15th या 10th या 15th बॉटल होगी, क्योंकि again मैं इसको I finish it up like 1 month only. 1 month भी नहीं चलाती हूँ क्योंकि I use it twice a day. So this is Hyaluronic plus PGA 0.02% face serum, and I will recommend this screaming on the top of my voice to everyone. If your skin is oily, if your skin is dry, any combination skin type, everyone can use this. It actually balances the texture and moisture of your face. So immediately हम जब we wash our face तो वो उसका moisture काफ़ी lose हो जाता है. It opens up our pores, and that is the right time कि आप उसे थोड़े से dampen skin में you use 1 drop of hyaluronic acid serum. It will literally even tone your uneven textured skin. और बहुत dry है उनके लिए भी अच्छा. These two are my favorite products. Another interesting products in the next box जो मैंने अभी तक निकाला भी नहीं है, guys. So this one is the first. So this is a castor oil navel patch. So I don't know if you have heard about it. I know कि ऐसे patches आते हैं, and finally I got my hands on it. ऐसा 40 का set आता है, guys, if it is visible to you. And this is how it looks like. It definitely resembles like a nipple cover, क्योंकि वो भी ऐसे ही कुछ आते हैं. So there is a hollow gap in this. You just have to peel it off. अपने navel पे आप डालो castor oil and just attach, like stick it on your navel, and it's like a navel oil castor oil patch, and you sleep with it overnight. So laying down the castor oil, the virgin castor oil, ये तक direct लगा रही थी, but वो उससे कपड़े भी खराब हो जाते हैं, and it doesn't last longer in your navel. And I'm going to tell you the benefits of it. So it is amazing for bloating issue है, या फिर you have a lot of inflammation in your body, skin care, hair. Important thing is it is amazing for those people who have PCOS symptoms. It is amazing, and it is also good for menstrual cramps को कम करने में बहुत help करता है ये. And not ये, the oil, the process that you do before sleeping. And now जब मेरे पास patches आ गए, I'm going to do it every day, you guys. Unboxing this in also front of you guys. My hands on this derma roller, and it comes with its own disinfectant solution, a derma roller for your hair, and this is in 1.0 mm. I think there's a hair loss, और किसको नहीं हो रहा? I think everyone is, whomsoever I talk, hair fall. If I go out, I travel, पानी change होता है, suddenly weather change हो रहा है, then it definitely causes the hair fall, you guys. A derma roller, but it has a pointy needles in it. बहुत छोटे छोटे needles होते हैं इसमें. अगर आपको नहीं पता है what is derma roller, तो इसमें like thousands of small needles रहते हैं, not injection वाले needles, but if you like press it, हाँ कट जाएगा. इसलिए that's why I said if you find 0.5 mm, go for it, because वो ज़्यादा mild होता है, वो बहुत safer होता है. एक रात पहले या फिर right before washing your hair, you have to just lightly do this, horizontal, vertical, और डायगोनल ऑन द प्लेसेस यू थिंक कि जहाँ से हेयर फॉल ज़्यादा हो रहा है या जहाँ से बॉल्डिंग हो रही है. इट्स गुड फॉर मैन एंड वुमेन बोथ. जहाँ से भी यू फील लाइक बॉल्डिंग स्पॉट है या फिर यूजुअली सामने से कई बार बाल झड़ता है, तो जस्ट यू हैव टू स्क्रोल इट लाइक दिस एंड दिस विथ वेरी जेंटल हैंड्स एंड देन अप्लाई योर सीरम, योर ऑयल. यू डोंट नो, अपने स्कैल्प में भी पोर्स होते हैं और बिकॉज ऑफ दिस tiny needling process that we are doing with this derma roller, it opens up the pores. So when whatever you will put after that, like a rosemary oil, your serum will absorb better and it will promote hair growth because it's a blood circulation भी बढ़ता है अपने scalp में. You don't have to go and take 10,000 types of medicines by doctors and dermatologists. It is so hard for me to speak, you guys. I'm telling you, I'm breathing once and then I'm talking once. Facing extreme level of hair loss or because of any body issue, this is not a suggestion for you. This is only for your home remedy. जिसको बहुत basic सी hair problem है, balding हो रही है, you have to only use this once or twice in 1 or 2 weeks, like 1 time per week, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. We bought this one home decor item. बेल वाले जो पेड़ होते हैं ना, like what you say, I don't know what you say. So they look so pretty. I love them, the natural ones and everything. And I thought my shower area was looking very sad and empty, and I wanted to do spice it up. ये बेल टाइप का ही है, like it will be strings like this. I have to just hang it on the top of my shower. Keep the pictures over here कि what I mean, because मैंने Pinterest पे देखा था. I've seen a lot of people are making this. काम आए मेरे, क्योंकि मैंने अभी तक try भी नहीं किया है and I am just unboxing it. This looks like grapes, नहीं पास से ये grapes जैसा दिख रहा है, but this leaves look so real like. और इसकी क्वालिटी भी अच्छी लग रही है मुझे, बट ये प्लास्टिक टाइप का है, तो दैट्स अमेजिंग फॉर माई वॉशरूम. आपको शार के ऊपर लाइक शार को बीच से निकाल के ऐसा you can just hang it. उससे शार एरिया उतना sad और इतना boring नहीं लगेगा जैसा अभी लग रहा था मुझे. This is a Pinterest inspired idea, you guys. 200-300 के अंदर कुछ मिला था. This looks so pretty. इसको कहीं और पे भी you can hang a shelf or something study table के side में, so it gives you that green वाला look. At the same time you don't have to maintain an original plant like this. I got something for my kitchen and this is the glass. It is not a glass jar. It's an water infusing water dispenser, like a water cooler or water dispenser. अभी तक मैंने ये यूज़ नहीं किया, सिर्फ धो के रखा हुआ है. I will start using it from tomorrow. And इसके साथ they have given me a tap also. If it is visible, I will show it to you guys. भाई मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है ग्लास को लेके. It comes with a tap like this. You have to just attach it here. इसका एक और कुछ प्रोडक्ट था जो मैंने लगाना भूल गई. ओके, तब नहीं लग रहा है. सो ये ऐसा कुछ दिखेगा यू गाइज. मैं जस्ट टेम्पररी लगा के दिखा रही हूँ लाइक दिस. If you don't know what is infused water, so basically you can just fill the jar with water and put your choice of, जैसे you can put watermelon slices, lemon slices, mint के साथ orange slices भी डाल सकते हो, and the water is no longer boring. Sometimes I feel like water intake बढ़ाने का ही सबसे अच्छा तरीका है, because आपके अंदर पे fruits का जो infusion है वो भी जा रहा है, so it is a healthy water. At the same time the water tastes amazing. You can literally put any fruit, cucumbers, summer है तो watermelons. I have seen people putting lychee, strawberries, whatever you like. Literally you can put the slices of it, not like tomato, pyaj, onion type ka. Only fruits I'm talking about, and I'm excited to use it, you guys. I will show you guys. I am really excited to use this. So guys, मैंने अभी तक ये red light face mask use नहीं किया है. This is 3-in-1, which is amazing. This is how it looks like. You have to just wear it like a goggle or face mask. I look funny right now, I know, but ये eye protection है और यहाँ पे पूरी lights है which will work amazing for your face. So this is for anti-aging. This has 3 lights, red, orange and purple, I think. और इसका जो रेड वाला है दैट इज फॉर एंटी एजिंग. एक जो इसका ऑरेंज है दैट इज फॉर एंटी एक्ने स्किन. इफ यू हैव अ ऑयली स्किन और ड्राई स्किन, दिस इज फॉर यू. एंड इसके बाद इसमें एक पर्पल भी है, लाइक लिटरली ट्वाइस और थ्राइस अ वीक. एंड इसका इट्स वेरी सिंपल टू यूज. यू जस्ट हैव टू क्लीन योर फेस, क्लेंस योर फेस प्रॉपरली, एंड देन यू कैन जस्ट सिट डाउन यूजिंग अ लाइट मॉइस्चराइजर और अ सीरम, एंड आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो योर एंटायर स्किन केयर. सो अच्छा अब्जॉर्प्शन भी होता है. एंड दिस इज ग्रेट यू गाइज, बिकॉज इसके बहुत अच्छे रिव्यूज सुने मैंने, एंड आई वांटेड टू बाय दिस सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम. आई थिंक चार्जेबल, यस. ये चार्जेबल है, यहाँ पे इसका यूज चार्जिंग पोर्ट भी आप देख सकते हो, लाइक मोबाइल वन. यू हैव टू जस्ट प्लग द वायर इन इट. इसके साथ वायर भी आता है. It has some linings over here which basically produces those red, orange, purple lights. I love it how lightweight it is, and I can just sit and do my journal. If you're a teenager, please check what all you can use or not. Don't go for all the recommendations that you see online, क्योंकि कुछ age के हिसाब से भी होता है. Mask is that it boosts up the collagen production in your skin, reduces inflammation. Also, it is good for acne prone skin. It also reduces acne production. Also, it helps a lot with inflammation or redness on your skin, and definitely it is good for anti-aging, collagen production, which is not happening naturally these days because of our food habits and all, which actually produces a lot of different problems for our skin. And this will literally help you. I'm a big time spiritual girl. You will find us burning sage on my room. You will find tarot card. I recently got my hands on tarot card. White sage, lavender, energy healing, room refreshing smudge spray. It's not exactly a room freshener. This is for all the spiritual girly. If you know, you know. This is a white sage. So sage is basically used to remove all the toxicity and negativity around, energies around your room and your aura, yourself. I feel like I'm going through a lot, and this really helps me a lot on the days when I cannot sleep. I just say the affirmations like, I now release all the negativity or negative energies that is holding me back, and then I spray it all along my room, on the corners of my room, corners of my bed, above my bed. And oh my god, this smells heavenly, you guys. You will fall asleep like that, and really it works, because after spraying this on my room, I really feel a lot of toxic and negative energies have been disappeared. I know if you don't believe it, if you're not spiritual, I don't know if you believe it or not, but this really works for me. So your girl just went to Bali and turned to love matcha. I have become a matcha girl out of nowhere. If you are a matcha hater, you can skip this part. But so this is Japanese matcha tea. This is matcha powder. अच्छा होता है, healthy होता है, and you know guys, I am very health conscious, skin conscious, and gym girly. So I am now choosing and replacing all the unhealthy habits, even slightest way possible. And मुझे matcha का ये बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये powder. This is really easy to use. I also got my hands on इसका whisker, which we use to whisk it before making your wonderful matcha tea. पूरा set है. You can comment down below if you like matcha or not. Do tell me. I love strawberry matcha. Last but not the least, one of my favorite products, I also got my hands on matcha glasses. You can use it for coffee glasses also, you guys. These both are sturdy. They look amazing, pretty aesthetically pleasing, and all how it looks like, you guys. अगर ये visible है, comes with a lid. It comes with a straw. It is really affordable, and मुझे इसकी quality बहुत अच्छी लगी. And there are pretty cute little pink bows on it. You guys know how much I love bows. See on my tattoo. I got the second one. This is also very cute and for a small quantity. मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ा thick है size में, तो small तो नहीं है. But this is also good to go. You can carry it in your car or something when you're traveling, you guys. क्योंकि you can literally shut it off and sip it. How pretty these are. Here we come to an end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Enjoyed watching this video. If you like to buy any of these products, I will link all the products down in my description below. Buy any of these new products. Do comment down below and let me know how you liked it. What kind of videos you want to watch. Do let me know. Comment down below. I will come up with that for you guys. If you literally enjoyed my videos, don't forget to subscribe your girl. Don't forget to comment and share this video. It will really mean the world to me. It will really help my channel a lot. I will come again and again more helpful videos like this for you guys. I will see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.